everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some earbuds, some wireless earbuds. We're gonna check these ones out and see how they are. Okay, let's see the box. Ooh, these come in a nice little package. So it's got this nice little leather pouch and got instructions, and then we have, I think it's just gonna be the charging cable. Yes, it is gonna charge from USB to USB-C. Okay, got a million of those cables. Okay, so this is it here. It's one of those ones where it goes. Hello, how are you? Okay. It's got some weight to it. And this is it. Wow, look at that. It's like a metal case for this thing. That's sweet looking. Ooh, and then it's got, when you push the little button, it lights up too. Okay. And these are the ones that wrap around your ears a bit. They're not going to be, I think they're like bone conduction kind of ones, you know, where they don't really go inside of your ear. So let's see. So I'm going to guess it goes around. So that's going to be this one here, right? Be like that. And then this one here will be like that. And let's see if I can try to connect on my phone. Let's do Bluetooth. I don't know if I have to do something to make it connect. Might have to set them up while they're in there. Right. Let's try this again. Let's try it with them inside. Okay. Oops, Bluetooth. Okay, let me figure this out. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got it going, and it kind of does a translation as it's going, and then in my ear, it's kind of talking to me and explaining what it's doing. So this is more than just a headphone. I wonder if I just go into headphone mode, if I can play music. Let me see, if I turn this off, it's translating everything I say right now. I can hear it in here. It's saying, hello, this, that, all the different things. But let's just see if I want to go to, oh yeah, it's a new phone, so I don't have anything here. Let me just go to YouTube. If I could spell it, Y-O-U. Yeah, I do. Okay, it works as a headset. I'm gonna say, you know, you could probably hear music on it, but it's not gonna be the greatest music ever. Okay, but for translating, it is very cool because I could just push the button there, and now it's gonna be translating things that I say. You can kind of see it on there. So it can translate it, and it can actually do it onto the screen, and it can do it onto the, it can actually say it out loud too if you don't have the headphones in. So if it did run out of batteries for some reason, it would still do it as well. So you can see, I mean, I think right now I have it going from Spanish to English. I'm talking on the Spanish side. But you could give one of these to your other person, and they could be translating. Yours could be translating English to Spanish. Theirs could be translating Spanish to English. Let's see what other language. Oh, let me stop it here. See what other languages it has. If we do it, it can do all these different ones here. All these Chinese, Italian, Finnish. Wow, it does. Look at all these different languages. It's just scroll, scroll, scroll. So you can pretty much do all these languages, even the squiggly languages that I don't speak. So really cool little device here. So this will translate your stuff. Oh, here we go. You can see you can do it on touch mode. So you can touch the stuff to make it go. Speaker mode, where one person wears the device and the other person holds the phone. That's, you know, what you can do if you're like on a tour, if I'm on a tour somewhere. And like I did when I went to Germany last year, I was on a tour and I signed up for the German tour instead of the English tour. And I could have just chose the German one, and it would have just translated. I could have just held the phone, or could have given it to the guide, and he could have held the phone, and it would have been translating. You can see right here, it's going to start translating everything I do there into my headphones. I guess I don't have it talking right now. It's going to do it. It's just on this mode here. I think I have to make it go to come out there. But I could read it along, or I could hear it as it's going. So it's a really cool little translator, and it's AI translator, so it's smart about it too. It can even give you a synopsis of something they said. So if you were in a speech and it was a really long one, and then when you're done, you can just put them back in here, and it will just charge while it's in the little case. So left and right, and they kind of magnetize in there, and there it is. Now it's charging in its little case, getting ready for the next time. So these are cool. So if you need some AI translating headset or anything like that, it has the app for it. The app was just easy to install. I think it's still translating. I don't know. That's weird. I guess it's still listening. Because I had it on the mode where it was listening from the phone. But yeah. See, there it is. When I don't have the headphones connected, it's just going to start doing it on the phone. So, but that's kind of it there. But you can see it translates. So it was translating. Very cool. Thumbs up. I like this one.